Hello guys, it's Ryan B back to another video, and today I want to show you how to use Selenium. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to develop an Instagram bot. The first thing to do is to name our project, so I'm going to write something like Instagram bot. Okay, so open in new windows here, sorry. Okay, the first thing to do is to install the package named Selenium. So I'm going to go over project here, interpreter, plus and Selenium. Okay, install. Okay, once the package is installed, you should create a new file. I'm going to create it and name it like main. Okay, the first line that we need to write is to import Selenium and the WebDriver. So I'm going to write from Selenium import WebDriver, and also from Selenium, from Selenium dot WebDriver dot, we are going to use Chrome, so I'm going to write Chrome dot options import options. Okay, fantastic. So I'm going to write Chrome options here is equal to options, so we can call it. And also I'm going to write the browser, or you can give every name you want. Some person name it driver, but I guess that is better name browser because you command the browser. But anyway, so browser is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome. Open the parentheses here. I'm going to write Chrome options is equal to Chrome options. So we can give some options of the browser. And for the first try, I'm going to write browser dot get, open the parentheses, and here we will insert a link. The Google link is like http / google.com, and let's try here run main. Oh, sorry, no parentheses here. And of course there is something that doesn't work, so okay, I misspelled there. Okay, here we need to install the Chrome driver, of course, so I'm going to click over the Google site here, download Chrome driver. I'm going to download the Win32, save. Okay, let's just open it. And I'm gonna to import this file in the same folder of the main.py, so show in Explorer here and put it inside. Okay, so hopefully now it's working. So it's working, it's fantastic. Okay, it goes in Google. And the first thing that we need to do is to go over Instagram page. So let's go over Instagram here, and as you can see, guys, this page is in Italian, but we can change the language in the Chrome option. So the first thing to do is I'm going to copy here and paste it here. Okay, and insert here a Chrome options. Damn it. Chrome options dot add argument, and here we can write something. So lang is equal to en. I'm going to close this one right now, and let's see. Okay, this page is in English right now. Perfect. So I'm gonna to put it here and this one here. I'm going to close this one. The first thing that our bot has to do is to insert a username here and a password. So we need to press over the username field, inspect here, and let's just open this one. So I'm going to click over this arrow here, click over the username, and as you can see in this field here, name is equal to username. So we can say at our Python program here, browser dot find the element by name equal to, here I'm going to write username, and for the password it should be password, but let's check it. So I'm going to click over the password, and as you can see here, name is equal to password. So I'm going to write the same thing but with password here. So okay, perfect. But right now the browser will just select the username and the password text box. So we're going to write dot send underscore keys, open parenthesis, and here we can write our username. And the same thing here, send underscore keys, and here we can write our password. But I prefer to do another file contain the user data so we can store it in another file. I guess that is better. So I'm going to click new Python file. Let's call it user data. Okay. So in this new file, we're going to write username is equal to, and here my username. So I'm going to write this one is like my third account. So higher IMB, and the password is equal to, and here you have to write your password. So here in send keys, I'm going to delete here and write user, sorry, we have to import the file before. So user, damn it, import user data, okay, and here we're going to write user data dot username, and here user data dot password. Okay, lovely. But there is another thing that our program needs to do, and that is to click over the login. So one moment, okay. I'm gonna to click over the arrow here, and with the arrow activated, I'm gonna to click over the login. So as you can see here, we have a button with the text login inside a span here. So we are gonna to search for this login button through the XPath. So I'm going to write browser dot find the element by XPath here, and here we have to write our XPath. So slash slash, we have a span here, so I'm going to write span slash, we have a button here, so I'm going to write button, and inside the button we have the text. So I'm gonna to open the square parenthesis and close it, and inside here I'm going to write text is equal to log in, and here we have to write dot click. Okay, so let me just change my password over here. Okay, I changed my password, so now we can try it. Play, and fantastic, there is something that it doesn't work. Find the elements. Oh, sorry, yeah. Find the element, not element. Okay, let's just try. And it does work. Fantastic.